Welcome back. In today's episode, we'll discuss how to rebuild your confidence after a losing streak. Getting back on track requires patience, strategy, and the right mindset. After a losing streak, your confidence can take a hit, but rebuilding it is crucial for returning to a state of clear and effective trading. Common pitfalls include self-doubt and fear of re-entering the market. Instead, focus on positive actions like reviewing past successes and planning new strategies to regain confidence. To rebuild confidence, start small, focus on your process rather than immediate results, and review your past successes to remind yourself of your capabilities. Starting small is key. Begin with lower-risk trades to ease back into the market. This helps rebuild confidence without the pressure of significant losses. Shift your focus from short-term results to the process. By following your trading plan and sticking to your strategies, you'll gradually regain your confidence. Reviewing your past successes can remind you of your strengths. Reflect on the trades where you excelled, and use those experiences to boost your self-belief. Reflecting on positive outcomes can restore your confidence. Set realistic goals to achieve incremental success, which will further reinforce your self-assurance. To rebuild your confidence after a losing streak, start with smaller trades, focus on your process, review past successes, and set realistic goals for yourself. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Share your experiences and tips for rebuilding confidence in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 24, The Power of Routine in Trading.